How to see who viewed your account in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll see if we can find out who views our profile in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, there is no actual feature that allows you to see who viewed your profile in Roblox, but there might be in the future updates. So all we can do for now is wait, and there are few ways which you can get an idea of who views your profile. So the first one being, let's head over to our Roblox first. Open up your Roblox, head over to the home page, make sure that you're logged into your account, and here you will see the friends option. Tap on it, tap on see all, and now you're on your friends. Now here you will be able to see your friends and your followings and followers and also the requests. Head over to the requests option, and right here you will be able to see who has sent you a friend request. Now, whomever sends you a friend request might be because they want to become friends with you, and they might just send you a friend request because they have been viewing your profile. Now, if you head over to the followers section again, under the followers section, those are also the people who view your profile and then again decide to follow you. So these are the only ways as of now that we can know who is viewing your profile in Roblox. And that is basically it for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.